Hey guys, this is Steve Lewis from the Happy Profits. We're going to look at 3 charts that we traded today, calling them out in pre, and then also when there's a runner, we have great traders like Thomas Schmidt and some other people, and Lily calling us out on other stocks. So we have a very good group here just calling the stocks. We're going to go ahead and check those out. I'm going to go over here and pull up HCBW. I'm going to pull it up real quick. Sorry if I'm looking around. Basically, this is pre, and this is what they respected. It traded down to these lines. I even got 1 entry here, 2 entries here, and then 1 entry here. After that shuffle right there, big bounce off of VWAP, and then just slow breakdown. Could not break 645 just a couple minutes ago because it was VWAP test at the bottom side. So usually when it's a down test from that, you don't want to take that big of a trade there because it's not respecting the line. So that's ACBW, big profit right here from $5 all the way to $7.35. Let me get that out of the way. Then we had STSS, going to tell you a good trade we pulled on that one too. So we pulled a couple trades at 11.51 on the breakout. It was a quick test and a pop. And then right here at this little level here, I got in, got another re-break. And then when it just kept bouncing off the 11.51, I got this 10.95 entry, wrote it up to about halfway here. But once it broke that 11.51 one more time, party on. And then you have a double top here. It retried the high, didn't break it. Also, this little line up here definitely shows you some little stuff that we know we start getting out. We had a trader actually shorted the stock in the middle of this wick, and he pretty good profit down here. I'm pretty sure down here. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up a THAR, and I'm trying to get this so we get a short real quick. This is THAR running. Missed all of this. Just not gonna lie, missed it all. But you definitely want some red pullbacks before you start entering, and you definitely want a stop loss just below that red candle just as well if you're entering late. We're looking for a big trade. I actually took this wick right here with pretty good size and made pretty good money. And then we're just going to look at why it ran. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick and we'll call it a day. And we have THAR on the 1 hour. So I'm going to pull it over here. And what you're looking at is this is a bigger time frame. And what I want to do is go ahead and draw this. I want to show you what I look at. I didn't look at this the night before. That's my fault. But you basically have a stock running up, and then stabilizing here. And then it's stabilized right here as well. And then today you can see that clear blue line that we looked at post-trade, because you still want to look at post-trades, and it broke out. And then you can get in some entries here with a smaller time frame because there's no way in a 1 hour time frame you can get this. And look, this was a green candle all the way back here and getting suppressed. So definitely trade around a small time frame so you can have sniper entries. Just join us in the chat room if you want. In our live webinars, we trade like this every day. Have a good one.